Help is very expensive gift, so don't expect it from everyone because very few people are not rich by heart, rest others only talk. If you suffer, it is because of you. If you feel, it is because of you. Nobody else is responsible, only you and you alone. You are your hell and your heaven. Good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they are there. The biggest preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. Happiness is not something you postpone for the future, it is something you design for the present. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched, they must be felt with the heart. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be beauty satisfied is to do what you believe is great work, and the only way to the great work and the is to love what you do. If you have not found it yet, keep looking, don't settle, and with all matters of the heart you will know when you find it. There are two ways to spreading light: to be the candle or the mirror that reflects it. Try to be a rainbow in someone's cloud. You must do the things you think cannot do. It is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press onto your destination. I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit, suffer now, and live the rest of your life as a champion. When the sun is shining, we can do anything. No mountaining is too high, no travel too difficult to overcome. So use moonlight in night. Every beautiful chase, every beautiful things is come to night. We can't help everyone, but everyone can help someone. No matter what people tell you, words and ideas can change the world. There is nothing impossible to him who will try. A hero is someone who has given his or her life to something bigger than oneself. Put your heart, mind, and soul into your smallest act. This is the secret of success. Let us remember: one book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world. What, what we think, we become. You must do the things you think you, if you only think, can do. It is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. What makes the desert beautiful is that somewhere it hides a well. Let us dream of tomorrow where we can truly love from the soul and know love as the ultimate truth at the heart of all creation. Don't judge each day by the harvest you are you reap, but by the seeds that you plant. Happiness resides not in positions and not the gold. Happiness dwells in the soul. The limits of possible can only be defined by going beyond then into the impossible. Create the grandest illusion possible for your life because you become what you believe. Working hard, important, but there is something that matters even more, believing in yourself. You miss 100% of the shots. Do not take. Definition, definition of purpose. It's the starting point of the achievement.